Greetings, Earthlings. Yes, I do look like an alien. My face and my hair is kind of like, what? But I am here today with another TJ Maxx and Marshall's beauty haul. You guys have done this to me. You've done this, okay? Everyone seems to really like these videos, so I just keep doing them. If you look back through all of my videos, my average view is about 30 to 50, but these videos, 200 to 3,000. So, yeah, I'm really glad that you guys like these because I have so much fun doing this. I have so much fun digging through the shelves everywhere at these stores because honestly, I went there today and I went there 2 days ago and they had different stuff. Where does it come from? I don't know. But this is going to be kind of like a first impressions one. I like to go back and forth between I've already tried it and I know what I'm going to say and make this easy to edit to I'm going to look crazy, put it on for the first time, and take a year and a half to try and edit this video. I'm doing it for you. So as you can see, I already have my foundation done. I've also already done my concealer and I set it with the Huda Beauty baking powder. But for the rest of my face, I am going to set it with this Becca Soft Light Blurring Powder in Pink Haze. I paid $12.99 for this at TJ Maxx. It's available on the Sephora website still for, I want to say like $38. And it said it was exclusive to Sephora, so it made its way to TJ Maxx. If I remember correctly, when this first came out, people like hated it. Hated it. And the packaging is like enormous, but I think it looks really cool. So as you can see, it is, wait, no, you can't see. Now you can see, right? Can you see that? It's very pink. It is a very pink powder. Like I don't know what to expect with this. I mean, this could like already ruin my entire makeup look before we even start. But let's do this. I'm not seeing anything like absurdly crazy happening. It's giving me a little bit of a glow. And it is slightly pinky. I don't hate it. But I've realized now that I need to set my foundation quicker because, girl, I'm creasing everywhere. Now, I found this at Marshall's. This is CoverFX Bronzer. This is in the shade Sunkissed. They had a highlight there too, but it was like an empty box. Yeah, an empty box. It's kind of light, but I will do it anyway. Oh, I kind of look like I have blush on from that powder. See, this isn't really showing up very much because it's very light. I mean, it's probably lighter than my foundation for sure. Okay, that's enough of that. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. I paid $12.99 for this bronzer, and I do believe it's still available at full price. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, yes, the Becca powder is on Sephora for $38, and the bronzer is on Sephora for $28. Now, I'm just going to quickly do highlight and blush. I'm going to use this Urban Decay palette. No, I did not find this at one of these stars. I tend to overdo it on blush and then I don't realize it until I'm editing the video, and then I just look like a fool. Fool, fool, fool. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of the bronzer that's in this palette. It's much darker. Oh, yeah, see, there you go. There you go, girl. I'm not exactly using any of my favorite brushes for this because my brushes are dirty and I'm lazy. Lazy. You let it sit too long and the coconut milk gets watered down. I'm just going to do a really simple eyeshadow look because I don't have any eyeshadow that I bought, but I do have an eyeliner and mascara and a brow pencil. So I'm just going to go into this Too Faced Peanut Butter and Honey eyeshadow palette that I recently got at Ulta because it was half off, and it's something that I've been wanting for a long time. Okay, so we are going to go in with this Kat Von D ink liner in the shade Hemingway. It is a brown eyeliner and it was $4.99 at Marshall's. I already swatched it here earlier. I don't do much with liquid liner, so we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, well, it went on pretty nicely. I got Too Chicken to wing it out. Yeah, it's a nice eyeliner. I just suck at using it, so yeah. Okay then, I'm gonna try and do the other one now. I don't know how people do eyeliner every day. I suck. I suck at it. I do like this though, and I like that it's brown. Hi, Bobito. Hi, baby. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Oh, oh, my baby. I love you. You wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? No. Here. Owie, 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 ow. Lay down, baby. Yeah, and it is not even. But moving on, I have something from MAC. First of all, this packaging, it didn't matter what was in here. I was going to buy it because I love it. So it turns out it is a mascara in the shade Squatted Sugar. I don't know what that means, but it's a brown. So I was like, okay, brown mascara, brown eyeliner. Let's do this. And this is actually a mascara that I've been wanting to try for a long time. I hope it's not dried out or anything, but yeah, this is the In Extreme Dimension Lash. And the wand is kind of scary. Whoa. Okay, I feel like it really lengthens them quite a bit. And I've been wanting a brown mascara for a while. The wand is just terrifying. Terrifyingly big. Okay, so I actually really like that mascara. I really like it. Like, a lot. Like, really, really like it. And now I found this from Kevyn, which is an expensive brand. The Brow Gel Pencil in Sheer Dark Brunette. This was $7.99. I don't know what Sheer Dark Brunette means, but it has kind of like a, almost more like an eyeliner on one side and then a brush. I don't know how to do this. I guess we'll see what happens. Just like brush up, like, what the fudge? The brow gel pencil, okay. Okay, so that is an incredibly scary brow pencil. It is so creamy. It like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not the kind of pencil that I'm used to. Let's get a closer look. It was so hard to use. Oh my. Oh my, my. Like you can't get a like crisp line. It's so weird. And look how dull it is already. Like, I don't know what to do with this. It's so wet. I'm making a mess. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do with this brush. Is it supposed to be a spoolie? I don't know. I don't know. But they're like plastered down now, my hairs, and they're like really, really dark. Like really dark. Here, I'll show you the other one up close. It's not pretty. Now I have another thing from MAC. This is a MAC Lip Duo lip pencil in auburn and matte lipstick in chili. Oh. Well, that wasn't as painful as I expected it to be. I actually like that. Now onto the lipstick in the shade Chiller. It's really pretty. I like it. I like it. I like it. And then I found this Smashbox Insta-Matte Lipstick Transformer. I remember when this first came out, I was like, whoa, that's crazy. I know this lipstick's already supposed to be matte, but let's just, I don't know, I don't want to ruin it. I know. I have two more things. I'll try one of these with it. I found an Alter Ego lipstick and an Alter Ego lip gloss from the Lorac I Heart Brunch collection. They're both in Brunch Queen. They are a lavender purple. Oh my god. My foot is so asleep I can't feel it. Oh, lost the last cuff. Let's see. Swatch. I have tried this on and it makes my teeth look really yellow. But it's cute, right? It's cute. And the packaging is really cute. It's like an opalescent color. So here we have that lipstick on the back of my hand. Not entirely sure how to do this. We just rub it on top. I feel like I did something wrong. I don't know. I don't know how to use it. Does it look like it's mattifying? It looks like it's mattifying. I think it did its job. Let's just say that it did. That was $6.99, and then these were both $3.99. And the Alter Ego lip glosses I love because they smell like marshmallows. And they are super pigmented. Like, look at that. Wow. I have a pretty big collection of these. Okay, so last but not least, I have a pair of sunglasses. So I had a similar pair like this that I kept in my car. They were my driving sunglasses. And then I found a pair at TJ Maxx by the brand Key Australia. And I was like, ooh, I should get those. Then I got to check out and the cashier forgot to ring them up. And I was like, you know what, whatever, I don't need them. I have a pair that work just fine. I don't need to spend $15 on those. Well, a couple days later, mine melted in my car and broke. Well, at Marshall's, they had 3 pairs of them, and I grabbed one. So these ones are by Key. So they are exactly the same pair as I had. I think I'm actually wearing these in my YouTube profile picture, but they're like my old ones, the ones that were like, they were by like Steve Madden or something. I don't know. I got them at Bell's Outlet or Marshall's or something like that too. But I am very pleased with these. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright, so there was a lot of stuff going on in this video. I just want to say I loved all of it. All of it. Oh, except the brow pencil. That was a disaster. Let's not even pretend that happened. The bronzer is not bad. It's just a little bit too light for me. The lips, this MAC lip duo, I love the color. I really like the Kat Von D eyeliner. I just need to get better at using it. I love the MAC mascara. I am just really happy with everything that I found. This video is going to take forever to edit. I don't know when you're finally going to see it, but yeah. So I really hope you liked it. Please subscribe. Please, 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 please subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.